Start your warm up. Practice with me. Four, one, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly. Okay, do it till 12th fret. Let's do it like 8 counts. Okay. 3, 4. 1, 2. Follow the metronome. So do it till 12th fret. Okay. Now yesterday what we practiced yesterday, we practiced F minor triad. Hope you all will following my videos. So now we are going to play F minor triad in the metronome of 90 BPM. Okay. 3, 4. So F minor triad is basically the notes are F, A flat and C. Okay, F, A flat, C. So we seen yesterday, we practiced yesterday. Today we are going to practice E flat. Okay, E flat minor. Okay, E flat minor is a major second of C sharp major scale. Okay, so we are in E flat or D sharp. Okay. So D sharp triad consists of D sharp, G flat, or F sharp and B flat or A sharp. So E flat, G flat, B flat. That's it. Okay. So I will tell you the fingering also. Fifth string, sixth fret, your index finger. Uh, your pinky finger on fifth string, same fifth string, ninth fret, okay, and your ring finger on fourth string, eighth fret, okay. It's a B flat note, fifth note, okay. You have the root under E flat, okay, under the B flat. So first put your metronome on 90 BPM or whatever BPM you are comfortable at, and then do practice the triad only. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slowly follow the metronome. So now we are going to add this E flat note, another octave note, okay. 2, 3, 4. So practice with me. The session is for that. Okay, we have to practice together so that the improvement happens. 4. So do it like that. Today's session is over. We are covering all the C sharp family notes. Okay, so it is a E flat. We are do subscribe, and any if you have any questions, please do comment. Bye. See you.